Hello, this is Cole Street Corner, and I'm your host, Miguel Cole. And I am representing the Wrestling POV podcast on iTunes and YouTube for free. Check it out. But here, today, on this show, we are here to interview some wrestling fans about WrestleMania, about their favorite wrestler. It's everything and anything. Let's start the show, shall we? Hello, this is Miguel Cole with Cole Street Corner, and I am here at Madison Square Garden for the live WWE event. And I'm here with...
the Rey Mysterio guy.
Chris.
Leon Durham.
MJ. And Jonathan.
Mario.
Todd from Long Island.
Brian.
Joshua.
John and...
Anne-Marie.
I'm Gary.
I'm Julius.
Zanaya Hillman.
I'm Michelle.
My name is Nicole.
Julian Cannon.
Stuart.
Julius Tillery.
Michael Vaccaro.
Okay, so MJ, who is your favorite wrestler right now? Brock Lesnar! Wow, he's so strong, don't you think? Yeah. He's a beast. They call him that for a reason. Okay, Jonathan, who's your favorite wrestler?
Like MJ said, Brock Lesnar.
Brock Lesnar. Do you have a Suplex City shirt on?
Yes, I do.
Wow.
From Brooklyn, New York.
Brooklyn, New York. Okay, can we get a chant? Suplex City.
Suplex City.
Suplex City. Suplex City.
Bo Dallas.
Bo Dallas. Bo Lee. Yes, I love Bo Dallas. He's one of my favorites. The Social Outcasts, they're now trending.
Yes, they are.
Roman Reigns.
Roman Reigns. Wow, his favorite wrestler is Roman Reigns.
That would be Mr. John Cena.
John Cena. You can't see me. You can't see me.
Right now, Kevin Owens.
Kevin Owens. Fight Owens, fight. Fight Owens, fight.
Fight Owens, fight. That's right.
That's right. Oh my goodness. Now, speaking of Kevin Owens, what do you think is going to happen in his Intercontinental title ladder match?
Well, first he should throw Sami Zayn over a ladder. He should take Stardust, take the face paint off of him, grab the belt, and just come back down with it. He's going to win.
Wow, he's going to win. You heard it here first. So now let me tell you something. What do you think about the addition of Zack Ryder?
Honestly, I think it's a good addition. He needs it.
I think that was something good that they did, because you know what? Woo woo woo, you know it.
Zack Ryder's gonna take the title.
Woo woo woo, you know it. That's what I'm all about. Zack Ryder for the IC title. I wish he can win. That would be something special. What do you think, Julius? Who's gonna win that ladder match for the IC title?
I think Kevin Owens is retaining.
Kevin Owens retains. That would be something. That would be.
I definitely think Kevin Owens.
Hey Rusev, do you want to be part of the wrestling podcast? Thank you, Rusev. Who do you think is gonna win between Brock Lesnar and Dean Ambrose?
See, that's a tough one because Brock Lesnar, he's just a beast. Dean Ambrose, I really like him too. But if I had to pick, I'm gonna go for Dean Ambrose on this one.
Dean Ambrose? Wow, he's gonna beat the Beast. You heard it here first. Mario thinks that the Beast is gonna lose to Dean Ambrose in a street fight.
But I'm going for Ambrose on this one.
What? Dean Ambrose?
Because you know what? If it's a street fight, if y'all don't know about Dean Ambrose in the Indies, if you don't know about CCW when John Moxley, he's gonna go all out. He's gonna be like a Nick Foley and Terry Funk.
Oh my goodness!
You're gonna see a big hardcore match in this one.
Oh,
it's gonna be a blood fight.
Brock Lesnar, Dean Ambrose. I hope Dean Ambrose wins, even though it's a long shot. Good thing Mick Foley gave him the barbed wire with the on the bat.
Yeah, that is a long shot, but with a barbed wire bat and a chainsaw from Chainsaw Charlie, he has a big chance now.
Well, I can tell you this: Brock is gonna take Dean Ambrose and take him to Suplex City.
Suplex City. He's gonna do suplex repeat, suplex repeat, suplex repeat.
Dean Ambrose gets work though. He fights every week.
Yes, he puts his body on the line. He does it all. So now, how many suplexes are you predicting?
It's going to be a ton. It's going to be 7, I would say. I think it's going to be 7.
7?
Yes.
I think he's going to be 7D. It's going to be suplex, 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 suplex. It's crazy. It's going to be crazy. I'm telling you, it's going to be crazy.
Yes, it is.
How many suplexes are we going to see?
I said 20.
20? How many?
21.
21? I think we're gonna see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, we're gonna see that many suplexes. It's gonna be suplex, repeat, suplex, repeat, suplex, repeat, suplex, repeat, over and over again. Kane in the background. Kane! Kane! Say hi, Kane! My name is Miguel Cole! Miguel Cole! Kane! Something! Please! I guess he doesn't want to say hi. Eric Rowan! Please, say something! You're not saying nothing to me! Eric Rowan! The Wyatt family! Hello! Hello! The tag team titles are on the line. New Day or the League of Nations? Who you got?
I like the New Day, but I'm saying because like everybody needs a chance to have titles. New Day's had it what, twice now?
Yes,
Two-time?
two-time
Tag
champions.
I would like for the League of Nations to have a chance because like everybody wants to push, and also Barrett's supposed to be leaving soon, so it's nice for him to have that title before he leaves.
You heard it here first. Barrett will be leaving soon.
Well, I think that New Day's coming around and trying to find their angle, and I think that League of Nations is just so talented.
Yes,
They're
they
just
are.
so talented. You can't pick. I couldn't pick right now who I think is going to take that fight. I think that it's going to be a good fight, and I think New Day comes out, but League of Nations is just so they're 4 main event guys.
4 main event guys coming as one.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
New Day rocks. 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 Okay, do you guys eat your Bootio cereal?
Yeah, no.
Hey, you think New Day sucks? Come over here and say that. Okay, that's your right as an American citizen. Listo! Que listo, primo! Say something, que listo, amigo! Something! Lucha! Something! AJ Styles! AJ Styles! AJ! Say something! AJ Styles! Phenomenal one!
Shane versus Undertaker, which is my most anticipated match. Cause
Shane versus Undertaker. Oh my goodness. Who do you think is gonna win?
well, first I would like to say that Shane is not going to jump off the Hell in a Cell, so I think Undertaker's going to win.
I don't know, honestly. I want the Undertaker to win because it's the Undertaker. At the same time, I want Shane to win because I want to see what would happen when Shane wins.
I want Shane to win because the way that Vince McMahon is running Raw and SmackDown and all of this together he's not really doing any good because everybody's getting injured. Everybody from the past is having matches. Not really any new people coming up from NXT and stuff like that.
Undertaker. I like Shane McMahon, but Undertaker.
It's the boss, Sasha Banks. Sasha, boss, it's me, Miguel Cole. Say hi. I saw you looking. She looked at me. I think I'm in love. She looked at me. Did you see that? She looked at me.
Sure.
So I'm gonna give you some catchphrases and you're gonna answer. So here's the first catchphrase. Feed me more.
Right back.
I'm the big guy.
Right back.
I'm a bully.
Right back.
Wow, there's a lot of Ryback. Yeah, you said you wanted Ryback. Oh yeah, that's right, because I love Ryback. Feed me more. The big one. Roman Reigns versus Triple H. What do you have?
Roman. You heard what she said. Roman Reigns all the way.
Triple H all
Triple
day,
H.
every day.
Wow. A lot of people have been saying Roman Reigns, but you know what? You're one of the first to say Triple H. What do you think's gonna happen?
Triple H is gonna take that sledgehammer of his and bash that Samoan's head in.
Oh my goodness. Hey, you heard it here first. Sledgehammer to the head. Okay.
But to be honest, I just hope Triple H win because he's one of my favorite wrestlers since the Attitude Era.
Oh, so you're all about the game.
Yup.
And how you play it?
Yup.
Okay, so Triple H versus Roman Reigns. How many spears are we gonna see?
A lot, I think. I'm gonna do a
47.
game where how many spears take a drink.
Oh, we're gonna take a drink. So we're gonna spear. Spear. It's gonna happen over and over again. And you know what? I'm not a big fan of Roman Reigns. I'm sorry. Don't hit me.
It's okay.
But because you know what? I have to see him win because Triple H, you're old, bro. Get out of here.
Roman Reigns has got to win that title back.
Wow. You know, a lot of people have been cheering for Roman Reigns here. But when I watch on TV, they boo him. What's up with that?
I think people think it's fun to boo Roman Reigns. People like to boo John Cena too, but look at how great John Cena does for himself. I think Roman Reigns is going to be in that same category in the next few years.
You know, I think the WWE misses John Cena. As much as he gets booed, I think they miss him.
It's just not the same without him.
The Superman punch. Sorry, I gotta do this.
Hey!
And you could believe that.
Rest in peace.
Believe!
We here.
Follow it.
We're here.
That's right.
He's getting a swig of water. Oh my goodness.
There you go.
Here we go. Oh my goodness. I got it. Oh.
It's over.
It's all about the game and how you play it. Becky Lynch, can I get a picture, please? This is me, Miguel Cole. Hi. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you so much for being part of the Wrestling POV podcast. This has been Miguel Cole with Cole Street Corner.